Okay. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all?
Fine.
This is the fourth session of ICT,
Fine.
and today we will start the test. Okay. We
Okay.
are going to start our test today. I will share the link with you. You must have to do this. And please remember, when you are doing the test, you must have to be vigilantly see the video, and everyone should be very वेरी पॉजिटिव ओके कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं होनी चाहिए माइंड में कोई गलती नहीं करनी है आप लोगों ने और
अच्छा व्हाट्सएप पे भेज रही हैं
Okay, miss.
no it is not in the WhatsApp. I
Okay.
am giving you right here. Okay, you just have to just calm down. First of all, sit properly, calm down yourself, and then start doing the test. Don't repeat the test. Okay, एक
Sling
बंदा
base.
पांच पांच दफा टेस्ट नहीं करेगा. I will not accept it. Okay, you must have to do your test only once, but please do it vigilantly. Okay, beta. Let me share
आप
it.
लिंक भेजते हैं
Okay. Uh, Fatma.
Miss Sling.
Okay, fine. Let me share the screen first, and then I'll tell you.
आराम से बोलो.
And then here you have your test, everyone.
प्लीज सेंड द लिंक ओवर our WhatsApp group because I cannot open.
Have you all got your test, beta?
Yes.
Everyone have got the link?
Yes.
Very good.
Miss, I didn't got. वो मिल गई मिस मिल गई. Yes, miss, I got.
Okay. Best of luck for your quiz. Hurry up. I'm here for your help. And if you want any suggestion, if you want any help, to ask. Let me open it. Mania also joined us. We have now 20 students right now.
नहीं भैया आ गई. नौ
Okay, I'm muting your mic. Everyone, please
Hello.
mute your mic as well. That is better. If you want to ask any question, you have to unmute your mic and then you can ask. I'm taking pictures for the attendance and then let me share my screen again. Okay. This is your quiz. Okay. If you want to ask any question, beta, just unmute your mic and then start the question. Please send link on WhatsApp group. I'm not sending it on WhatsApp group. I'm sending it over here. If you want to have any quiz, just see over here. You have to click over here and then start the quiz. Not sending in the WhatsApp group. This is your quiz. You first have to give the email address and then select the section with the class name. Then you have to set the date by selecting this option. इस पे क्लिक करेंगे आपकी डेट सेट हो जाएगी. ठीक है, जैसे ये देखिए हमने यहाँ क्लिक करा, डेट सेट हो गई. And then here is a labeled window of Excel. You can see that window vigilantly. And then just click the 5 corrected points over here and then choose the best answers. This is so simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 choose the best answer and 5 the corrected options. I have given you 10, only 5 are the correct one. Just see the picture and select the correct one option. Okay. Very I'm very glad to see that we are having 21 participants today. That's good. Okay, if you want to ask any question, please unmute your mic. You have authority to unmute yourself, and then you can ask any question.
मिस जो पहला वाला क्वेश्चन है वो जो 5 गिवन है उसके जो नीचे वाला क्वेश्चन है ना उसमें उसका मतलब क्या है?
In the first question, you have to listen to me. In the first question, you have 10 corrected options. Okay, 10 options in which only 5 are correct. Okay, you must have to check. Take the corrected 5 one. Okay,
के नीचे वाला मिस
you will not select the corrected one, you will not got the marks. Understand?
मिस उसके नीचे वाला which one of the following is not?
One of the following is
Option C option.
I don't understand. I'm not getting this. Let me share the screen.
Miss,
Here
can you
you are asking about
link on the WhatsApp group bar?
No miss नीचे वाला मिस
who's the correct answer. This one?
yes miss पहला वाला ये
Which one of the following is not worksheet view option? Which one is not a worksheet view option? You have the view option in the status bar. So you can see this one and you can select it. You have the picture. 1 minute, beta. You have the picture of it. This one option and you can do this. Please, beta, mute your mic. Mute your mic.
मिस ये वाला समझा दे मिस
Yes,
टेस्ट हो रहा है
yes,
मिस
beta,
टेस्ट हो रहा है
yes, it's your quiz going on.
मिस आप लिंक वापस सेंड कर देंगे मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है
Sure. I'll again sending your link. Don't worry. Here is your link. I'm sending it again. Have you got it, Vanya?
Yes, miss.
Better. Now mute your mic. Hurry up. Mubashir, Mumtaz, Azhar, Vanya, Anaya, please mute your mic. If you want to ask any question, then unmute your mic. Only on that time.
Miss,
Okay,
can
beta?
you send
miss वो आपने
I cannot open from over here because
I'm not sending it in the WhatsApp right now. You have to do it right here. Okay?
मिस आपने ये लिखी हुई है कि लेबल द एक्सेल शीट ये मिस
No,
खुद
you
बनानी
don't
है
have to label. You don't have to label it. It's a label sheet. You have to take. You just have to take it. Take a look to vigilantly. Take a look to that labeled window and then give the answers. Okay? You have to select.
उसके नीचे वाला मुझे समझने नहीं आ रहा
Okay, let me share the screen again and then I'll explain you. Here is your question.
Yes,
okay?
miss, yeah.
Look vigilantly the above given Excel sheet and select 5 corrected facts about it. Now listen to me. I'm reading it. You just have to listen to me carefully and then select the corrected only 5 options. And then after selecting the 5 correct options, you have to move to the next question. This is to choose the correct answer option. Over here, just read the question and select the corrected answer. Okay. Now I'm reading the first question. The title bar is located at the left corner of the Excel window. You must know where is the title bar. Okay. Then the quick access toolbar is meant to give you quick access to command you use often. Okay. Then you cannot add more commands in quick access toolbar.
मिस
G.
मिस हमें इनमें से सिर्फ 5 पे टिक करना है
Yes, only 5 points are correct. You just have to select only 5. Okay. You have a lot of time. Just read it, and if you have any query, just again see that window, and you can you have your answer. Okay. Just see that window. You have to read it very calmly. It is very simple, and all the words are very simple over here. Let me finish it. I'm reading it for you. You cannot add more commands in quick access toolbar. A workbook is a collection of worksheets. The ribbon contains the ribbon contains commands required to perform various tasks like formatting, sorting, etc. Okay. There are 3 scroll bars: the vertical scroll bar, the horizontal scroll bar, and the bottom scroll bar. You must know how many scroll bar are here. The status bar is present at the top of the window which display worksheet view option. इसके बाद है when you enter anything in the active cell, it always appears in the formula bar. Okay, the range is a rectangular box of contiguous cell. I told you what is range. Okay, now columns are labeled. Columns are labeled from top to bottom along the left edge as 1, 2, and so on. Okay, if you read the book, if you have seen my lectures, if you have attended it, you can easily do this.
The status bar is present at the top of the window which displayed.
Okay, now I'm back to your sheet again.
जब फिर से भेज दे लिंक, मेरा मैं सबमिट कराने वाला था, मेरा
वो
चार्जर
तो पढ़ा।
It's okay, my beta. I'll send you again. Don't worry.
मैं जो सबसे नीचे वाला है पूरे क्विज में, वो तो हमने नहीं पढ़ा।
Which one?
The workbook will save with the extension
It is in
XLS.
your book. It is in your book. I told you. Just read the book. I explained you. I can give you the clue. Okay. Let me give you the clue for that. I've explained you, beta. If you listen my lecture, you can get the point. The workbook will be saved with the extension dash. Okay. Axel की बहुत ही easy sound है. Okay. I can just give you clue like that कि हमारे पास एक्सेल में एस की साउंड भी आ रही है.
टीचर
एस की साउंड को भी हम कंसीडर करेंगे.
टीचर
यस यस बेटा.
टीचर सबसे टॉप वाला जो पहला क्वेश्चन है ना, जिसमें हमें 5 चॉइस करने थे, उसमें मैंने 5 चॉइस किए और उसमें से क्या कहते हैं सिर्फ 4 ही आए और 4 में से 2 सही थे, 2 गलत थे. तो मिस क्या कहते हैं मेरे वहाँ साइड पे जो मार्क्स थे वहाँ 0 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं.
Doesn't matter about the number, because if you doesn't select the 5 corrected option, you will got 0 out of 5 in this question number 1. Okay. यहाँ पर आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे कुछ है, ये इसका बिल्ट इन इशू है कि जब भी हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे 5 करेक्ट होंगे तब वो आपको 5 out of 5 देगा. बट व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग योर checking in the response option, so I will choose, I will just consider that the corrected one. I'll consider the corrected one and I'll give you the marks of the corrected one. So don't worry about it. Okay. इनमें से जितने आपके correct होंगे, I will take that as a marks as well. Okay. अगर यहाँ पे एक गलत होगा तो उसका 1 मार्क्स कटेगा. Don't worry about the points. I will consider it. Okay.
Okay miss, thank you.
No problem. No problem.
मिस जो 5 करने हैं मिस, उसमें से ना मैंने 3 सही किए तो मिस है ना वो 0 मार्क्स बता रहे हैं.
मैं भी यही बता रही हूँ बेटा. I'm just telling it right here that when you get marks, when you do correction of the 5, when you select any 5 corrected option, then you get the 5 out of 5 option, number from that side. But if you select only 2 or 3 correct one, it will not give you full marks. ये आपको 0 शो करेगा. But when I'll take the responses, जब मैं आपके numbers note कर रही होंगी, तो उसमें जितने आपने corrected किए होंगे तो उसको उसमें से select करेंगे. So don't worry about it.
मिस मेरा सारा बस मेरा नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 नहीं हुआ, वो जो वो है ऑप्शन वाला वो
Correction वाला, right?
मिस वो वाला वो जो टिक करना है उस पे.
Okay, choose the correct answer. Question number 1 and
Yes miss, choose the correct answer.
the view option. If you
टीचर
have
मेरे को 0 मार्क्स दे रहा है बनाना.
if you have Excel sheet, you can open it on your portal and you can just when you take your cursor in front of this, तो नीचे इसके answers आ रहे होंगे. You can have a look. You can give the corrected answer. You can choose the only one option which is not in the worksheet view option. Understand? इनमें से 3 ऐसे option हैं जो worksheet view option में visible होते हैं. और एक वो ऑप्शन है जो कि वर्कशीट व्यू ऑप्शन में विजिबल नहीं होता. इज इट क्लियर? नेम से भी आप इजीली पकड़ सकते हैं. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. एंड इन द लास्ट वन यू आर सेइंग, आई टोल्ड यू एक्सेल में एस की भी साउंड आती है, तो उनमें से कोई ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो आपका इसका एक्सटेंशन भी हो. इतना बड़ा क्लू दे दिया मैंने.
मैं कौन सा देख के पढ़ सकती हूँ?
प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक.
और ये वाली सही हुआ और ये वाला
नंबर 2 वाला मेरा हो जाएगा टेस्ट.
जी यस बेटा.
चूज द करेक्ट आंसर में नंबर 2 वाला.
नंबर 2 इन चूज द बेस्ट आंसर.
यस मिस, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर.
Okay. Which of the following displays the address of the selected cell? I told you, and you have also over here. Also the option of it. आपको पता है कि नेम बॉक्स कहाँ होता है. You also know I have explained you in the lecture कि हमारा नेम बॉक्स कहाँ होता है और उस नेम बॉक्स में हमारे पास क्या आता है. Of the following is the address of the selected cell. जब भी हम किसी सेलेक्ट करते हैं किसी भी सेल को, उसका एड्रेस एक जगह आता है, उसका नाम यहाँ पर. What happened? Danish, one
वाला नहीं आ रहा.
This one, choose the best answer one.
Teacher, I have submitted you the quiz.
Okay, that's very nice. Danish, don't worry. एक तो you have wrote wrong spelling of your name. This is written Danush. You are not Danush, you are Danish. Okay, this is the question. Here we have the view option. Here we have the view option. We have only 3 corrected name of view option over here. Normal view, page layout view, page break view, web layout view. Are we having web over here? If we have a web, so that will be the correct, or if we don't have the web over here, that will be the selected answer.
Okay, miss.
I hope you got it. जी.
मैं तुझे 2 वाला बता दे.
Question number 2, which of the following displays the address of the selected cell? Beta, whenever we click or select any of the cell, their names will be visible over. You must be know the name of that site. I told you in the lecture. कहाँ पे उसका नाम आ रहा होता है? वो कौन सा बॉक्स होता है जहाँ उसका नाम आता है? You just select that one option. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes, Richa. Yes, beta.
I have submitted the quiz and I got full marks.
Very good. Congratulations. Yes.
Teacher, I have submitted quiz and I also got full marks.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. You haven't opened your cameras. Most of them have closed their camera. Why, beta? I would like to see you all, and I would like to see your responses. 3-4 participants have left. I think there must be a issue of. Might be. It's a big issue right here. Okay, Rijahan, well done. You have completed. Sinan, well done. Mubashir have also done. Well done, beta.
The verbal will be saved with the
Danish, your problem has been resolved or not?
मिस मुझे 5वां नहीं आ रहा बस.
आंसर थोड़ी बताऊंगी. I can just give you the clues. If you
The
have,
work
मैं अभी आपको 2-3
will be
दफा
saved
clue दे
with
चुकी
the
हूँ.
extension.
हाँ, extension. Excel.
Excel किधर लिखा है?
Excel लिखा हुआ नहीं है. Sound पे गौर करें.
Excel.
I told you that you must have to consider the S sound as well.
Excel.
Now you got me?
बोले and the verbal will be saved with the
Excel.
Beta, why you didn't read the book thoroughly? I have written it in the test question. I have given you the instruction to read your book thoroughly. If you read the tricky terms, if you read the memory bites, you can easily do the test. It is all from that side and from my lecture only. That's why I told you always to read the book thoroughly. And you must have to consider my instruction, beta. It is mandatory for everyone. If you read the book, you will not have any difficulty of it.
Excel.
Why you didn't see the book? Okay. How many have you done? Abdullah Farhan, you want to ask anything? No? If you want to ask anything, just raise your hand or you can unmute your mic and then ask the question. Okay, beta? I'm here for you. Don't worry about anything. Don't do this again. Just do this once, okay? But attentively. Okay?
मिस मेरे इतना आंसर सही है लेकिन वो तो 2 मार्क्स बता रहे हैं.
Doesn't matter about it. आप उस पर मत जाइए. Might be आपका जो फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन हो ना,
ये तो इतने कम मार्क्स क्यों बता रहे हैं?
बेटा वो अरे दानिश, डोंट वरी. वो सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको जरा सा भी let me finish me बेटा. Let me finish me. आप पहले मेरी बात सुनिए. Don't worry. Listen to me carefully.
टिश्यू पेपर.
Listen to me, Danish. Excuse me. दानिश, listen to me. आपका जो फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है, अगर उसमें आपके पांचों करेक्ट नहीं होंगे तो वो आपको 0 देगा. लेकिन जब मैं आपके रिस्पॉन्स देखूंगी,
मेरा बस एक ही गलत था उसमें.
it's okay. You will get marks on it. I will take the response. यही प्रॉब्लम हुई है अभी एक और टेस्ट में, उसमें भी यही इशू था. दिस इज सॉफ्टवेयर इशू. तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. जब मैं रिस्पॉन्स देखूंगी तो जितने भी करेक्ट होंगे आपको उसके मुताबिक ऑब्वियसली I'll upload it. Don't worry about it. आप देखिएगा मार्क्स. Just don't worry. ये मैं आपको अभी बार बार बता रही हूँ कि when I'll upload the marks, I will select those points which was corrected. Okay? मैं उस नंबर को कंसीडर नहीं कर रही हूँ. Okay? सॉफ्टवेयर में ये इशू आ रहा है कि जहाँ पर आपका एक भी रॉन्ग हो वो पूरा रॉन्ग कर रहा है. तो डोंट बॉदर ऑफ इट.
2 लिखा हुआ है.
उस पे मत कंसीडर करें नंबर पे. बस आपके जो है. जी बेटा. यस बेटा. यस.
मिस मुझे पूछना था कि क्लास में कितना टाइम है फिलहाल?
We are having 10 more minutes.
अच्छा मैम, मेरा इशू है कि मुझे कोचिंग जाना था और ले रही थी मोबाइल पे क्लास ना, तो मुझे मोबाइल लेके निकलना था. इस वजह से मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे.
Okay, she has to submit a test, so just give her some time to submit the test, or she can also submit it within half an hour.
हाफ एन आवर का टाइम लो. असल में मुझे जाना है ना, तो फिर रात तक सबमिट करवा रही थी आपको. असल में मैं लेट काफी हो गई हूँ, नहीं तो मैं मना नहीं करती. प्लीज अगर इतना हो सके पॉसिबल,
प्लीज मेक इट पॉसिबल कि एटलीस्ट मैं आपके लिए फेवर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव टू अपलोड द मार्क्स. तो आप प्लीज ये कोशिश करें कि ये 3 बजे से पहले ये कंप्लीट कर लें बिकॉज इन आफ्टरनून आई हैव टू सबमिट द रिजल्ट इन द पोर्टल.
3 बजे तक चले असल में
कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, यू डोंट हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इट अगेन.
ओके
ठीक है. आप फिर एज सून एज पॉसिबल प्लीज सबमिट करवा दीजिएगा. इट विल बी अ ग्रेट प्लेजर.
हम लोग 2 कर सकते ना.
हेलो.
ठीक है मैम. अभी जाए आप फिर प्लीज एज सून एज पॉसिबल सबमिट कर दीजिएगा.
कितना बाकी है?
अभी चीज करना पड़ेगा. मामा
Okay. Rest of them have completed.
Yes.
Yusra, if you have done with your question, so please lower your hand. Press the lower hand option. Lower your hand.
मिस मेरे पूरे मार्क्स आए हैं।
That's good. Congratulations. Acha, please tell me that everyone have done the test. Those who have done the test, please thumbs up. आप लोग thumbs up करेंगे, मुझे पता चल जाएगा किस किसने टेस्ट कर लिया है, प्लीज। और उसको भी thumbs up पे रखिएगा। Those who have done the test.
मिस
Good. Yes. Who is asking?
मिस हम लोग उसको टेस्ट को क्या दोबारा कर सकते हैं?
No, I am not allowing you because जिनको मैंने ये चांस दिया था उन्होंने डायरेक्ट करेक्टेड ऑप्शंस आपके पास आ जाते हैं, so that will be a cheating. So I am not allowing you to do this retest. Okay, that's why I am telling you. Okay, we are running off our time. 10 minutes में हमारी मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, so your time starts now. Only 10 minutes are left. Hurry up, do complete your test. I think Saad is doing the test. Mara is doing the test. Saqib is also doing the test. Okay, hurry up, finish it. आप लोग इसको पढ़ें और आराम से करें प्लीज, इसलिए मैंने कहा था जल्दी नहीं करेंगे लेकिन पढ़ के करेंगे। ओके
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीक कोई क्विज होगा या फिर नहीं?
नो। अच्छा, I have given you the book work of chapter number this is chapter number 9 I guess or 7.
No, 7.
7. Okay, you have to complete the book work of chapter number 7 and you have to submit it in the portal. Okay, ये प्लीज आपको सबमिट करना है। मैं आज आपको बढ़ा देती हूँ, ओके, ताकि आप लोग इसको कंप्लीट करें। एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर that when you come to in the next class you must have your file with you because you will do the worksheet of chapter number 7 and then we start the new chapter. Okay, and we will do the practical as well. Okay, जब भी हम प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे यहाँ पर I will give you the option to share your screen and show the practical of yours. You can also submit the practicals in the portal as you have submitted. Some of you have submitted the practicals in the portals. I have seen that, but I want more responses. Okay, so आपके पास वहाँ पे option है कि आप Excel की sheet को वहाँ पे as a homework submit करवा सकते हैं। Okay, दानिश प्लीज उदास नहीं होना है, आपको नंबर वही मिलेंगे जितने आपने किए हैं। डोंट वरी, अगर आपका सिर्फ ए गलत है तो आपको 9 मार्क्स मिलेंगे। डोंट वरी अबाउट द पॉइंट्स। ओके बेटा?
मिस मैंने लैपटॉप पे करने की कोशिश तो की लेकिन सबमिट तो हो गया था, लेकिन उसके बाद लिखा हुआ आ रहा था समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग।
Okay, you have another option when you have done your work in the Excel. You can just take a picture and you can submit that picture on the portal as well. Okay, मैं आपको दोनों ऑप्शन देती हूँ। अगर आपको एक्सेल शीट को डायरेक्टली अपलोड करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो आप उसको पोर्टल में पिक्चर के थ्रू भी भेज सकते हैं। ओके बेटा? Okay, Fatma, do you need any help beta or you done the test?
Teacher, I have submitted you the practical Zoom timetable.
Yeah, I told you I have seen some practicals, but I will give you the feedback of homework and practical on next class, inshallah. Okay? Okay, we have only 7 minutes to go. Hurry up, finish your work.
मिस
Yes.
आप ये क्या प्रैक्टिकल का कह रही हैं? हमें कहाँ भेजना है? ये प्रैक्टिकल क्या है ये?
In the portal, I have told you and I have uploaded the homework to do some practical in Excel, and you have the option to upload the Excel sheet in the portal. Okay, and you have another option is that when you finish the Excel work, you can take a picture and you can upload that picture on the portal. But it is mandatory to everyone to send the homework in the portal because I'm not checking any homework in the WhatsApp. Okay, I want to see it in the portal. Okay, beta?
Miss, can you please send the link in the WhatsApp group because I cannot open it.
Which one? Which should I have to send, beta? Tell me.
इस मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे ना मार्क्स?
लिंक
डोंट वरी अबाउट द मार्क्स, डोंट वरी, आप बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहिए। मैं आपको कह रही हूँ ना, जितने आपने करेक्ट किए होंगे उतने आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे। डोंट वरी अबाउट द मार्क्स। दानिश, कांट यू ट्रस्ट मी बेटा? मैं आपको पहले कितने मार्क्स दे चुकी हूँ, नहीं पता आपको? फिर आप डर क्यों रहे हैं? मार्क्स के लिए परेशान नहीं होते, जस्ट दिस इज फॉर द प्रैक्टिस, ओके? क्योंकि जब हम फाइनल असेसमेंट करेंगे तो वो 1 अटेम्प्ट पे करना है आपने, ठीक है? और उसमें किस तरीके से करना है आपने, उसके लिए ये प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं आपको, ओके? दिस इज योर प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट।
दिस होमवर्क क्या है?
Your homework is to complete the book work and submit it in the portal. Okay, only the book work. I'm not giving you homework of worksheet. We will do the worksheet in the class. I'll guide you. Beta, it is also uploaded in the software. आप उसमें देख सकते हैं, होमवर्क में जाएंगे, आईसीटी के होमवर्क में गिवन है। मैं वहाँ पे क्या करूंगी कि आज आपकी जो सबमिशन डेट है उसको एक्सटेंड कर देती हूँ, ठीक है जी? सुनाया?
टीचर मैं कह रही हूँ आप ये जो टेस्ट लिंक है ना ये व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर दें क्योंकि मैं कर नहीं पा रही हूँ इधर से।
Okay, I'll send it in the WhatsApp. But please, everyone, listen to me carefully when you done it once. जो सबमिट कर चुके हैं वो दोबारा नहीं करेंगे, जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो इस लिंक को उठा के दोबारा कर सकते हैं। Understand?
ओके
Okay, beta, we are running out from the time, so take a look to your portal. होमवर्क आपका मैं दोबारा अपलोड इसलिए नहीं कर रही, सिर्फ डेट बढ़ा रही हूँ आपके बुक वर्क एक्सरसाइज की, ठीक है? ताकि आप लोगों को एक ही जगह सबमिशन हो। अगर मैं दोबारा कर दूंगी तो हमें 2 जगह से सबमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है? आपका बुक वर्क का टाइम मैं एक्सटेंड कर रही हूँ ताकि आप लोग वहीं पे अपनी पोर्टल के अंदर आप अपने होमवर्क को सबमिट कर सकें, ठीक है? योर होमवर्क इज टू सबमिट योर बुक वर्क। योर बुक वर्क is your homework. You have to submit your book work. Is that clear to everyone, beta?
Teacher, I have submitted the book work.
Okay, those who have submitted the book work, just they don't have to do any homework after that. Okay, आपका बस वही book work का homework था। Next homework मैं आपको next week में दूंगी, ठीक है?
ओके
Understand?
Okay, teacher.
अगर आपने प्रैक्टिकल वाला होमवर्क नहीं किया तो फिर आपको प्रैक्टिकल वाला होमवर्क करना।
टीचर वो मैंने भी सबमिट करा दिया, वो वाला सबमिट करा दिया था।
ठीक है बेटा? Yes, who is asking? Have you done the test?
मिस अब अगला कुछ कब होएगा अपने ब्लॉग
Not
में?
right now. I'll guide you whenever we'll have the next quiz. I'll guide you. Don't worry about it.
ओके ओके
So just those who didn't submit the book work, please do submit the book work, and I will upload also the response in the portal. अगर आपने कोई करेक्शन की होगी उसमें कोई गलती होगी तो उसकी करेक्शन जो है मैं आपको वहीं पर रिस्पॉन्स दूंगी उसका, ठीक है? पोर्टल के अंदर वहां पर आप देख सकते हैं और फिर वो करेक्शन कर देंगे आप। Is that clear to you?
ओके
Okay, beta. We have only 2 minutes. Hurry up. If you want to ask any question, you can. Question. I hope you have done the test, and I'll also upload the link. So don't worry. Yes, Asghar, do you want to ask anything? Okay.
में 10 बच्चे हैं, में
No.
10 सिर्फ बच्चे हैं।
जो कर चुके हैं वो जा चुके हैं। Anaya, yes, you want to ask anything? Beta, you can unmute your mic. Hurry up. Yes, Anaya.
हाफिज टीचर।
Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz.
हाफिज मिस।
Okay, we'll see you in the next class, inshallah, and do submit your book work. Okay, beta? Inshallah,
Okay.
we'll see you in the next time. Yes, Saad, hurry up. Ask me.
Miss, do we have to do book work on class 6 book?
Yes. You are using the same book right now in the 0 term. Okay?
Okay, miss.
When we'll have this, when we start the new session, then I'll suggest you to purchase a new book. Okay? But right now,
Yes.
you have to work on the same book. Don't forget to write your name on the book. Okay? जब आप वो पेज करेंगे, on that page you have to write your name and the date as well. Okay, beta? Okay, see you in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye.